Hey YouTube, what is up you guys? How you guys doing? Today I'm coming at you guys with this video of kind of like an old school graffiti white tee type look. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, but not your basic, encapsulated hearts or Valentine's art. Like I just wanted to do something a little bit different, so I felt like I could fuse these together. So stick around if you guys want to see how I made this look. And so sorry for the lack of posting because oh my god, I got COVID for the very first time and y'all, that was no joke. Like I literally felt like I was dying. So thank you guys for being patient. And I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna try and make it up to you guys and get another 1 or 2 videos out this week as well. But yeah, forgive me. I don't know if you could tell from my voice. I'm still kind of recovering. Still kind of have a little cough and all that, but y'all be safe, wash your hands. I got it from work, so that was unfortunate, but yeah. So I'm going in with not a this isn't white. It's kind of like I did a little mixture of half clear acrylic and then half white acrylic. If you want it to be more on the sheer milky side, you could add more clear. If you want it to be, more white, obviously add more white. So I don't really have like a ratio for you guys. You guys can kind of, if you do want to make your own acrylic color like this, just kind of start off doing 50-50 and then you can kind of add more clear or more white, just whatever you guys whatever helps you guys get the kind of color that you're going for. But yeah, so it's not like a pure white, and I just made it myself with, I think I mixed Mia's Secret clear and then Young Nails white. So yeah, I just made it myself because I didn't really have another one. But here I am going in with application, just working with the temperature, letting my beads sit, tapping and tapping, trying not to drag. If you're kind of like brushing down, use a light pressure, trying to get this white into the cuticle. And white is kind of difficult, so don't beat your guys' selves up if you are kind of struggling with white. As you guys can see, I'm struggling too. White can just be so freaking runny, and so it's kind of hard to get a good ratio with that. Just try and drain your beard a little bit more when it comes to the cuticle bead and you're using white, because white is one of those colors that will flood your cuticles if you're not careful, if you leave it kind of too wet. So I'm just taking a bead, letting it sit for 5 seconds, and then I'm placing it on my nail and then patting it down so it makes its way to cover where I want it. Right here, I'm just kind of forming it where I want it. I'm trying to get the coverage onto the free edge and the base of my nail as well. So after my application, I did cap it with clear just so I didn't file any color away. And I'm using Cassie Monomer Smooth Set, and that one's really cool. It's like $45 for 32 ounces, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'll put a picture above of what monomer I use. It's a pretty good deal, and it does kind of have a strong scent though. That's the only thing, but you can buy some monomer drops to neutralize that scent. I know Young Nail sells them, and even Mia's Secret sells them too. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch, and then after this I'm hitting you guys with a little bit of filing application, and then as well as an e-file application. Just real quick, yeah, like I was looking for a picture of the Young Nails white, and it seems that they're having a Valentine's Day sale going on. 30% off all sizes of acrylic powders and monomers, so go ahead and check out that sale. That's a pretty good deal, and they have really good products, so yeah, definitely go check it out. So right here, I'm gonna go in with some of my nail art. I'm gonna do kind of um like a cursive script lettering. The word I'm gonna be putting is amor, which is, Spanish for love. Um and then I'm also gonna be adding in some little kind of 90s background um art to add to the nail art. So on top of doing the script, I'm gonna be having some more nail art too, and I'll insert a little clip, kind of like what I'm talking about, if you guys know what I'm talking about at all. I think there's still some artists around in the Bay Area that I've seen that still do these kind of photo shoots, and I just live for it. I'll put her Instagram down below too, if you guys are interested. So along with doing the nail art, I'm going over with a mixture of clear top coat and then the polish that I use, the red. So you just kind of want to mix that, kind of like adjust your ratio. I did mine maybe like 60% clear, 40% gel colored pigment. And I think it just gives it that really nice, like, spread out airbrush look. So I'm kind of just going over all of the nails to kind of get that spread out look. Just going over to give it a little bit of thickness and depth. And since it's mixed in with the clear acrylic, it gives it a really nice 3D effect. And yeah, I'm just going to go in and cover all of my nail art with that. And then once we're done with that, I'm going to matte top coat it, and then we'll go in with our defining lines of white, just hitting the angles where the natural lighting would hit. towards the end, I ended up matte top coating it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!